So, to start off the prep, you want to begin by cutting up 2 bell peppers. You want to get rid of the cores inside, that's all the white bits in there, as well as getting rid of the stalk. If there are any seeds, they can remain, or you can remove them. It's up to you. You want to cut them up into cube-ish shapes, or squares, because it's only very thin, but yeah, relatively large in size. Next, you want to cut up some onions. You want to cut them into squares, relatively the same size as the peppers were, and then you want to layer them, split them up into their individual layers as best as you can. I didn't have onions at hand, I only had these spring onions, shallots. I'm not sure which one these are, but they're all I had. So that's what I used. And then you want to split some red chili peppers. You can use green if you're feeling adventurous. You can get rid of the seeds too if you'd like, but I kept them in. I like the flavour. Now wash your hands, because you're about to handle raw meat. You want to get these nice chicken breasts and cut them up into big old cubes, just like everything else. And there we go. Wash your hands obviously, because you've just handled raw meat. Now you want to use some oil and this spice. Mix. And you want to mix them together. You should probably use sunflower oil because it burns at a different temperature. Burns colder than olive oil. You're less likely to burn your dish. Now, get some rice. One part rice for 2 parts water. Washing isn't necessary, but for the sake of this video, I have done it. You can rinse it a few times. So yeah, here comes the 2 parts water. Next, you want to add some oil. I did use sunflower in this case. And some salt. Just enough to make it not bland. You don't need to put too much on. And there's the sunflower oil going on. And now you chuck it in the microwave. Simple, right? 8.5 minutes for 1 cup of rice. And then you put a lid on it, a heavy plate, and then just pop it in for another 8.5 minutes. You want 1 can of tomatoes. Let's get the party started. Throw them in a pan, add some oil, stir it around a bit. Let's add the chicken on. Cover it in the tomatoes. Cook all of those surfaces. Get them all nice and thinly cooked on all sides. Add a bit more oil for good measure. And stir it a bit more. Because why not? You don't want them to stick together. Add some water. Again, give it a mix so it's not sticking together. Time for another dose of that powder. Should be looking very orange at this point. Now turn the heat down to mid. Pop a lid on and just wait for around 20 minutes. You can give it a stir every few minutes to make sure it's not all sticking together. Turn the heat back up. Oh, that's enough. Add the veg. You want to stir fry it. You want to stir fry it for a little bit. And then one last dose of that glorious powder. And now the secret ingredient is yogurt. A few teaspoons. Just mix it around to make it all creamy in the perfect way. And there's your result. Look at that. You can reduce it a bit more if you feel like. Just steam the vegetables. But there's your dish.